Don't. Leave it. Leave it.
So what do you think we should do, Dennis? Jake got really upset when I tried to explain it to him. So I just wonder whether maybe we could talk to him today. Because if he heard it from you, you're always going to be his daddy, you know? I can get the diets off. Dennis, are you even listening? Dennis!
What, you want me to tell Jake what a perfect guy it is, and it's all going to be really perfect, living a perfect life?
No, not necessarily in those words.
I cannot believe you're going to marry this man. You came to your engagement ring and have a shoe.
George.
Please,
Abby, that's naughty.
Listen, if you want to marry Whit, that's fine, okay? You're a big girl, you can make another. But don't come down here while I'm eating my full English breakfast with extra breakfast and expect me to make things easier for you, okay? My face doesn't get you, man!
He's doing the washing up as well, Mum.
I'm not going to run. What?
Avi.
I said I'm not
Avi.
running.
Avi. Avi. Wait. They're nice. Was it nice?
What do you mean?
Oh, dear.
Stupid marathon. Why? Because Libby's getting married again. What do you think? She's never going to find anybody better than you. Well, let me be the first to tell you. You know, you're not a tough act to follow.
Oh, well, you think I don't know that?
I don't care anymore.
I know this.
What about me?
What about you?
I've got money on this. A lot of money. That is not my problem. Quit it. I'm not the quitter.